Okay, so for this one, we are going to start at the point opposite of -3 is +3. Opposite of -2 is +2. So we start there at 3, 2. Then we do the slope. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over. Do at least 3 points. And then draw your line. All right, as we continue, our point is the opposite of this. So -5 is x. Opposite of this, +5 is y. So we start at -5. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start there. And then we do our slope. 3 over 1. So up 3. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 3, 1. Draw at least 3 points, and then draw your line.